In this video, I'm going to show you 4 quick ways that you can boost your credit score today. My name is Vernell Watson. I'm the founder of a credit improvement company called Fortune 800. And we've been getting results that look like this, and like this. And if you want results that look like that, stay tuned for the rest of this video because I'm going to show you 4 quick ways that you can boost your credit score today. Now, the first way is paying down credit card debt. This is simple just because let's say you have a $1,000 credit line and you spend $1,000 on it, you're at 100% utilization. Your utilization is how much you have available versus how much that you use. And it's 30% of your credit score. So you want to make sure you get it between 1 and 7% to get the maximum amount of points for this category in your credit score. Now, the second thing is opening a merchant line of credit. So let's say you go to a store and if you spend $500 with the store, they'll give you a $6,000 credit card limit. This can help you lower your utilization and help you get new positive credit history so you can continue to build your credit in the future. Now, the third way is becoming an authorized user on a credit card. So let's say I have a $10,000 credit card that I've been paying off for 10 years and I only spend $100 a month on that card. Now I can take your information and I can add you to the card as an authorized user, and now the history, the $10,000 limit will be copy and pasted onto your credit report, therefore boosting your score. So you can get a quick 30 to 50 points using this method. I've even seen 100+ points using this exact method. So become an authorized user. You can reach out to your friends, family members, people that you know are responsible or a trusted company, and reach out to them, get an authorized user on your credit report and start to boost your credit score fast. Now, the fourth way is a balance transfer. Now, let's say you have a lot of credit card debt. Where can I write this? Let's go back to that example of 1,000. Now, imagine you're paying 30% APR. You have 30% interest rate. And every time you make a minimum payment, it seems like the balance just goes up and up and up and up, and you never actually pay anything down. So if you applied for a 0% intro credit card, you can take this balance and you can put it onto that credit card so you can start to pay it down at a 0% interest rate. So instead of every time you're making a payment, the balance isn't going down. Now it can start to go down really fast because you're paying no interest on that balance. Now, if you like this video and you got a lot of value out of this video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with a friend who needs to boost their credit score, especially this year. That is going to be it for this video, guys. If you want a quick way to boost your score, especially in 2021, and you want to achieve your financial goals, I want you to click the link either down below or click the link in my bio and get my 100% free credit boost guide, and it'll show you exactly how to do this in greater detail. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Talk to you soon.